Ilocos, and it's now time for Words of Wisdom. So Wayne, what's our wow for today?
Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting. So, get on your way. Para sinasabi niya na, or reminding us na never stop on working on achieving whatever goals or ambition you want or to be. Therefore, never waste your precious time on doing things that is unproductive. Instead, be productive on your time. Who knows? This might be your lucky day.
Yes, tama, talagang kakaiba yung pagkaka-explain mo.
Yeah.
Yung para sa akin din naman, ang interpretation ko dun sa wow natin, yung para bang yung mountain mo, parang
Andyan na siya.
andyan na siya. It's up to you kung paano mo na lang din siya ma-reach yung mismong tugatog, yung mountain na yun, yung tuktok niya. Parang don't stop na parang aiming for that goal na marating mo yung tuktok ng bundok na yun. Kasi in life, marami tayong mga challenges na makakaharap, marami tayong mga kailangang pagdaanan. Minsan parang feeling natin mag-give up na tayo, pero hindi dapat ganoon. As we always say naman na it's all about parang pushing yourself to the limit and never stop giving your best, at saka wag na wag kang susuko.
Ayun. In connection to that, parang sinasabi nila is, yung quote din to na Tagalog na, pero na nga naging bato pa. It's because wala kang ginawang move wala kang ginawang initiative para maging pera talaga yon. Instead, hinayaan mo naging bato. Like, pag may nag-offer sa'yo ng trabaho, like, noon, being sa marketing of this TV production, sabi ni Ma'am Rochelle sa akin, be one of our marketing agents. Ma'am, I can do it. Well, there's no hard in trying naman, sabi niya. Ayun, ginawa ko. Wala akong background dun sa nature ng trabaho yun. So, hanggang sa natutunan ko, ayun, naging marketing ako. Something like that. Ayun, di ba?
And one tip din na maibibigay ko sa lahat-lahat ng kahit sino man, may apply din sa sarili yun. Na parang always listen to what other people would advise you. Kunyari, kung bibigyan ka nila ng isang napakagandang piece of advice, take it as parang something na pwede mo ring i-consider. Like, huwag mo ring baliwalain. Although sometimes meron din naman yung mga pagsubok sa buhay natin na wala na tayo dapat pakialam sa sinasabi ng iba. Pero kung alam mo naman na makakabuti for you yun, why not, diba? There's nothing wrong naman in internalizing kung ano man yung binibigay nilang mga pieces of advice. So, yun. And that has been our wow for today. Tune in again next season for another dose of your words of wisdom. Wake up, Ilocos. We'll be right back.